Okay, we now look at what analysis we can run. So if you are advising a company on COPFIN things, you are looking at capital structure. Now, how would a capital structure change the return that a company provides to its shareholder, or change the share price, or change the price to earning multiple? That's an interesting thing to note. The other priority of a COPFIN team would be to use the quant techniques. And in quant techniques, we have three levels that we could move up. The easier level is correlation analysis. One way deep is the multiple linear regression, and one way up is the Monte Carlo simulation. Now, it's important to note how we are going to do the entire thing into a coherent way. At the same time, we will keep our files easier. So at one part, we would like easier VBA codes that are not subroutines, that are functions. So we'll still do easier part, easier function from the VBA, but keep the maths in Excel. For the multiple regression, that's the second level of complexity that we can add. We would keep linest function as our heart of the engine, and linest function with some other tricks just to move around things here and there, to add and remove the variables. So the linest function gives you the power to play around with, I guess, 15 or 16 variables, and you can choose which variable would define a company's multiple, or which variable defines how much levered a company is. So probably a company with high sales is more levered, but if you draw multiple linear regression equation, you say a company with high sales with high return is more leverage. A company with high sales or high growth but no return is less leverage. And how does the leverage of a company gets explained by all other parameters? And the same concept goes for a multiple, that how much a company is multiple it and what forms the multiple. So in that part also, you want to keep everything simple. Also, because you're going to pull data from CapIQ or PacSet or Bloomberg or Barclays or any other data feed, you want to still keep things in a simple way into Excel. So the importance of Excel in COPFIN analysis is there. Now, I have been grown up as an engineer, so I always prefer MATLAB and R. A few reasons for that is that they are fast, they are easy to understand, they have got a very strong help, they have got good error handling capacity, which is not there in Excel. So if something goes busted in Excel, you cannot find that out. So although we have our reservation, but for the sake of the entire team, we would still stick to Excel and stay away from that the C# add-in that we can probably use. And this would also help everybody to understand like what's going on. It's important for their learning. Otherwise, it would be a black box. We'll have just names of the model, and we will not have our analyst going through the model and seeing what's happening. So at the cost of speed, at the cost of size on your hard disk, you're going to still stick to Excel framework when you are doing this. Okay.